What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Valtronic Designs. And behind me could possibly be the ultimate station wagon. E63 AMG S, this car's a 2018 model year. It's got the ultimate exhaust setup. This car's running on a full titanium exhaust and it's got these stock downpipes. No other modifications, and this thing really sounds wicked. In terms of the rear section as well, it's important to note this car does not have Rentec modules. It's all factory using the factory OEM module. So if you decided to add some Rentec modules, you might crank up the sound even more from this. If you wanted to have the ultimate exhaust experience out of the box, put it on your E63 W213, whether it's a wagon or sedan, this is the ultimate exhaust setup. In this video, we're gonna show you guys the full sound characteristics: startup, revs, flybys, launch control, hard accelerations, interior clips, and of course, we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you know exactly what this E63 sounds like with the Valtronic titanium exhaust, and again, with stock downpipes. Let's get to the sound. All right, guys, inside the E63 wagon right now, this is the perfect everyday car for your avid enthusiast who wants to have the practicality. But it's so important, you have to have optimized exhaust configuration. Right now we're driving in the comfort mode and the car literally sounds like it's bone stock. You'd never know there's any exhaust modifications at all. Exhaust button's off, everything's very normal. But you can hear, if I drop it into individual, you get a lot more bass and excitement and volume inside the car, which makes it far more dramatic in here. Even the pops and cracks, they sound far more aggressive than stock. All right, we're gonna have our first sound test. There's some buildings around. This thing is now so much more aggressive than stock. Here we go.
Off some hillbilly.